In my last video, I highlighted the need for 32-bit device owners to consider using the following alternatives as a way to escape the harm that Windows 11 may cause to their devices. Naturally, 32-bit devices won't be supported by Windows 11, so you should consider these options if you want to keep using your 32-bit device when it's a desktop or computer. The requirements are very simple. You just need a 32-bit Intel device. I'm not sure if AMD is supported, but Intels are supported at this time. To get a copy of the ISO, follow the following steps in this video. Right, so you're going to open your search bar, type in the particular name of the ISO you need to find, hit enter, and you should be taken to a page that has the various distribution files. Download a copy, use an available USB or CD burner to create a bootable disk. Afterwards, you're going to turn off your computer, load the USB or CD into the drive bay or port, and follow the instructions to boot. I hope this helps you. Thank you for watching.